To fix this issue, first go to settings, then on your developer option by clicking on more settings, then about phone, and then click 2 or 3 times to software versions. Press back and scroll, go to developer options, click it. Now see the option OEM unlock. If it on, then off it. Now go back and restart your phone. I hope this would help and fix the issue. Thank you.